Hi Eagles! Today I'm going to talk about a teaching and learning strategy that has been around for almost 40 years. I'm going to talk about a few ways that you can use sticky notes to increase engagement, assess understanding, and challenge thinking. In the past, I've talked about using sticky notes for affinity mapping to help brainstorm ideas and to create a definition, but there are so many more ways to use them. The first strategy is to create goals. Since this is the beginning of the semester, you can have your students write a goal for this semester. You can have them, put it up on a board for everyone to see or the class to see, or they can keep it on a place or in a place where it'll be a constant reminder for them to see at all times. In math, Post-its can be used to teach area, parameter, and fractions. You can map out a design on a piece of graph paper, and then use Post-its to create the design and create some wall art. Sticky notes can also be used as an exit ticket to allow you to gauge the student's understanding of a topic. You can put an equation or question on the board, and then as they leave the classroom, they can write down their answer and leave it on the board for you to assess and maybe change your lesson for the next day based on their understanding. Sticky notes can also help with close reading. You can ask your students to summarize a complicated text or just a section that you really want them to understand. They can find textual evidence to support a claim, ask a question, or keep track of words that they don't know. They can also then, at the end of the book or at the end of a section, use those sticky notes to rearrange their ideas, to review, to organize them into a manner that would be most accessible to them. Lastly, sticky notes can be used to ask questions. You can create a parking lot in which they park their questions on the board that need to be answered later or something that you would like to research as a class. These are just a few ideas that you can use sticky notes for. We would love to hear how you're using sticky notes in your classroom. So if you have any ideas, please share them with us. Or as always, we would love to see you in the tea room.